Hi, I'm Chef Steve Putnam with Chartwells. Today we're going to be making a black bean soup. Some of the items are from the Pike Red Zone food pantry. Some of them are from the store. Let's get started. We're going to take one of our cans. We're going to rinse them thoroughly. Now we're going to open up the other can of black beans. We're going to leave the juice on there and pour it into a bowl. We're going to gently smash that down with a fork. Okay, now we're going to dice this onion. We're going to get one garlic clove. We need to add a little bit of vegetable oil to the bottom of the pan. We got this at medium heat. We'll start cooking our onions. Go ahead and add our garlic. Let that cook for another 2 minutes. Okay, now we need to add our vegetable stock, our diced tomato, our diced green chili. We're going to add our crushed black beans and our rinsed black beans. A little bit of salt and pepper, tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of cumin, and a little lime juice. And once we bring that to a simmer, we're going to let it cook for a good 4 to 5 minutes.
Hi, my name is Kara. I'm the district's dietitian. With this soup, be sure to look for low sodium canned goods and broths when in the store. Additionally, you can add a lean protein like chicken, or you can add a side of rice or quinoa as a grain.
Well, there we have it, our black bean soup. Delicious.